Hello there, I'm Restore Locomotives, and today I'm gonna show you the restoration project of New Haven number 140. I'll also show you some pictures of it. That this is how New Haven number 140 will look like. And I'm saying that it will run again in 2042. And it will be run on the Metro North from every Sundays to Wednesdays. And it will be used on the Long Island Railroad from every Thursdays to Fridays. And it will be used for maintenance trains on every Saturdays. And it will also be featured in an excursion with some steam locomotive that is up to be decided, and it will have a top speed of 144 miles per hour. And it will run from New Haven, Connecticut, all the way to Brooklyn, New York. And yeah, that is the restoration project of New Haven number 140. There'll be more videos coming soon. Anyways, bye.